With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. What is design pattern? What are the advantages of using patterns? Explain UML diagrams of factory design pattern. What is Servlet? Briefly explain Servlet life cycle. Also write a Servlet which displays welcome to web programming. And what are JSP directives? Explain the use of any two JSP directive with the help of a program. Thank you so much for watching. If you need answers, contact us on our WhatsApp number.